Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly just arrived 2024 XT23. So this is the XT23 model, so it has the traditional V-bow on it. Up front here, we got the gray with the red accent and the gray stitching, so pretty cool detail how that pops. Got the Clish speakers up front. Nice big bow, 23 foot. This boat has air dam walk-through door. Coming on through, you can see I'm walking. We have the Decadence flooring. Has the big L-shaped seat. It comes all the way around into these nice, comfortable, contoured seating for the whole cockpit. We do have the rear flip couch here on this. The transom walk-through, of course, on the new design of the XTs. Rear flip pocket seats to sit on, or it can be in a sun pad. Phone holders. Coming over to the cockpit, we have the 7-inch touchscreen for all your surf controls, wake and ski controls. Phone charger down here. Big glove box, nice area. We did the wraparound windshield. Nice sleek look on this boat. And then we did the Z6 tower with the swivel wakeboard and wake surf clamping racks. And then we have the M8 speakers. Awesome boat. It's got the 6-liter motor, plenty of horsepower. Of course, the Surf Star system. So come on out, check out this XT23 2024 that we just got in. We have a lot of other Mastercrafts. We still have some 2023s and a lot of the 2024s in the showroom. So come on out and check everything out. This boat will be online, and it will obviously be at the store. So online, it'll be at MarineMaxGreenville.com, and you could also give us a call, 864-236-9005. Thank you.